Good morning, Christian County. This is Amanda Sweeney with the Christian County Health Department, and I'm here today to talk to you about some exciting things we have coming up for the month of September, as well as answer some common questions that we've seen lately in the community and provide you guys with some clarification. If while I'm talking to you guys, you hear a lot of booming and banging in the background, one of the exciting things we have going on right now is some reconstruction here at the health department. We're doing a full building renovation and we've got a lot going on, a lot of noise. We're all adapting, lots of changes in 2020, but the end result is really going to help with workflow and even help with patient flow. So you're going to be pleased to see those changes, I think, out there in the community. But one of the exciting things we have going on here at the Christian County Health Department is our low-cost rabies clinic. Every year, we have a low-cost rabies clinic here at the Christian County Health Department to provide the opportunity for individuals out there to get their dogs or cats vaccinated at a reasonable rate. So you can come here to the Christian County Health Department, purchase your vouchers for $10 each, and redeem those at 3 of our veterinary clinics here in the county. You do have to make an appointment to redeem those, so please don't just show up at the vet clinic with your voucher expecting to get your vaccination. They do need to have it by appointment, but we do provide that here at the health department, and you can get one free voucher when you present a valid Medicaid card. Another exciting thing we have going on here at the Christian County Health Department is our September 100 Mile Challenge. This is our 6th year to host it, and this year it's a little more special to us. We are honoring the late Wally Bryan. He was an advocate for the 100 Mile Challenge. He was actually the one who was behind the idea for the 100 Mile Challenge. He approached us here about 6 years ago and came to the table and said, hey, I've got this great idea, and he presented it to us. We took it, we ran with it, and it's been a success ever since. So this year we just wanted to honor him. Our t-shirts, the theme, instead of walking toward a healthier you, is actually walk for Wally. So that's a way that we can honor him this year. Cost is $10. It's going to start September 15th and go through December 1st, and that's roughly 1.25 miles a day that you have to reach. But the goal is to get 100 miles walking, running, however you want to do it, between September 15th and December 1st. So I encourage all of you out there to participate in that. The Hoptown Half is coming up. That's a great way to participate. And I think even as part of the Hoptown Half, they're going to do a Wally's Walkers, and that's a 1 mile walk. So that's another way that you can get your mileage and also honor Wally in the community. So we encourage you to sign up for that. This year, you go to ChristianCountyHD.com to sign up. It's all going to be online, so it makes it just really quick and simple for you guys. If you do have any questions, you can always reach out to us and we'll be happy to answer anything. I did want to take just a few minutes and answer a couple of common questions that we've seen lately on our Facebook page. There's a lot going on with COVID. There's a lot of working parts, and I know sometimes it gets confusing about maybe how we operate and how we report numbers. So I just wanted to make sure that you guys were clear on exactly how we document and how we report these numbers to you guys so that there's no confusion. But one of the questions that we've had is, why do active cases not increase the same amount as additional cases? So I'm going to talk a lot of numbers here, so hang with me. If you'll take a look, on September the 8th, we had a total case count of 980. That was in our daily report. 243 of those cases were active and 723 of those cases had recovered. And of course, unfortunately, we had the 14 deaths. Well, between September the 8th and September 9th, we added 15 cases. So if you take a look, whenever we take a look at September 9th, for total cases, when we add 15 to the 980, our total cases was 995. Our active case count, you might think that the day before we had 243 cases, so if you add 15 to that, that's 258 cases is what it should be. When actually, our active case count was 248. Well, here's what happened. If you take a look at number 2 there, we added 10 cases to our recovered cases. Now, we don't report that, but what happens is whenever cases recover, we pull those from our active cases and add those to our recovered cases. So on that particular day, 10 of our patients recovered, and what we did was moved 10 from the active to recovered, and then we added that 15 to the active cases. So the active case count increased by 5, not 15. So I hope that provides some clarity for you guys. But again, if you have any more questions, I'd be happy to talk to you about it. You can always email us or go to our Facebook page, write a comment, and I'll be happy to get back to you and answer any questions or provide any clarification. Another common question that we've seen is, if a person tests positive more than one time, does that count as an additional case? The answer is no. If I were to test positive for COVID-19 and then in a week I want to get tested again and I'm test positive again, and then in 5 or 6 days I want to get tested again and I still test positive, I've taken 3 tests, but I'm still just one case. So we have our epidemiology team downstairs does a great job of sifting through the numbers to make sure when we report the numbers to you guys, we're not reporting duplicated counts. So just because an individual may test positive 3 or 4 times doesn't mean that that's 3 or 4 cases. They are still just one case. One thing I did forget to mention in the beginning is that we are providing COVID-19 testing this Saturday at the Western Kentucky State Fairgrounds in conjunction with an Aaron McNeil food drive. That's going to be from 8 to 10, again at the Western Kentucky State Fairgrounds. So for those of you in the community who work and can't take advantage of the 9 to 11 daily clinics that we have here Monday through Friday, I encourage you to come out there and take advantage of that. We're going to have a great staff out there ready to serve you from 8 to 10 on Saturday morning at the Western Kentucky State Fairgrounds. So I really think that's a wrap this time. If you guys have any more questions about anything I've talked to today, I've thrown a lot at you guys, I know. You can always give us a call at 887-4160. Go to our Facebook page, shoot us a message. I'll be happy to answer that. Or go to our website, ChristianCountyHD.com. There's a place you can answer questions. Any questions you have, come directly to me. If I don't know the answer, I will make sure you get an answer. So I look forward to talking to you guys and hearing your feedback. And again, if you have any more questions, just let us know. And I hope you guys stay safe and healthy.